Looking for the best electric bikes with gears in 2025? Whether you're commuting to the office, cruising around town, or tackling steep hills, we've rounded up 5 top electric cycles that deliver power, comfort, and value. From high-range models and fat-tire e-bikes to pedal-assist powerhouses and full-suspension mountain bikes, these picks combine smart features, smooth rides, and rugged durability, all without breaking the bank. Check the description for details and links to each bike. Number 5. Mini E-Bike 1. The Mini E-Bike 1 prioritizes safety, keeping both you and your bike secure. It comes with a bright front light, brake lights, and integrated turn signals, ensuring better visibility for you and those around you. An audible and visual alarm system acts as a deterrent against theft, while a 2-year replacement warranty offers peace of mind if your bike is stolen. Designed with a fusion of French and British industrial craftsmanship, the Mini E-Bike 1 is a blend of style, strength, and performance. Its clean, modern lines make it visually striking, while premium materials guarantee durability. The saddle and handles are handcrafted by Brooks, England, adding a touch of luxury and comfort. Practical additions like mudguards and chain guards enhance both convenience and performance, making every ride more enjoyable. Packed with smart technology, the Mini E-Bike 1 transforms your ride into a connected experience. A built-in color touchscreen on the cockpit provides easy access to essential functions, while unlocking is effortless with your smartphone, Apple Watch, or a secure PIN code. Geolocation keeps you connected to your bike's whereabouts, adding an extra layer of security. The bike also offers GPS navigation and customizable controls, ensuring a personalized, hassle-free journey every time. Weighing just 18.7 kilograms for the small frame and 19 kilograms for the medium frame, the Mini E-Bike 1 stands out as one of the lightest electric bikes in its category. This lightweight build enhances maneuverability and control, making it easy to handle in urban environments or on open roads. The S-frame is ideal for riders between 160 centimeters and 180 centimeters, while the M-frame suits those between 170 centimeters and 190 centimeters. The seamless aluminum frame, made from heat-bonded aluminum tubes and French-engineered castings, combines strength with a sleek, polished look. Carbon forks further improve the ride by absorbing road vibrations, delivering a smoother, more responsive cycling experience. The bike's rear-wheel motor produces 32 Newton-meters of torque, ensuring smooth, consistent acceleration. A removable 252 watt-hour battery weighs just 2.1 kilograms, making it convenient to detach for charging without adding unnecessary weight. Built for performance and reliability, the Mini E-Bike 1 features 27.5-inch Mach 1 wheels fitted with Duro 650 by 42B tires for a balanced mix of speed, stability, and comfort. Tektro-hydraulic disc brakes offer powerful, responsive stopping performance, ensuring safety in both urban and long-distance rides. Every detail is designed for comfort and convenience. The Royal Essenza saddle and Angel Comfort grips provide an ergonomic, supportive fit for longer rides. A single-speed drivetrain ensures simplicity and low maintenance, while the durable chain guard and thermoplastic mudguards, manufactured by Protoform in France, keep you clean and protected from road spray. An Italian-made Ursus kickstand offers sturdy, reliable parking support. The advanced digital cockpit puts everything within easy reach. With a vibrant color touchscreen and 4 control buttons, managing your ride is simple and intuitive. Turn signals are integrated into the handlebar ends for added visibility and safety. GPS navigation can be configured directly from your smartphone, guiding you along your route with ease. The Mini E-Bike 1 app gives you complete control over your riding experience, allowing you to customize settings, track your bike's location, and monitor performance. Unlocking is effortless, whether you use your smartphone, Apple Watch, or a secure PIN code. This combination of innovation, style, and performance makes the Mini E-Bike 1 an ideal companion for modern exploration, offering a smooth, connected, and secure ride every time. Number 4. AVENTON Level 3. The Level 3 impressed us with its lively, responsive 500-watt motor paired with a double-sided torque sensor. Whether you're after light exercise or a nearly effortless cruise, this e-bike delivers. It features an integrated ACU smart module with 4G connectivity, giving riders control over security, speed, and motor output through the AVENTON app, offering a level of customization rarely seen at this price. Handling is a standout feature, combining sporty agility with rock-solid stability. It's quick to maneuver yet feels securely planted on the road. The ride is smooth and comfortable thanks to the full suspension system. This includes an 80mm coil fork with lockout and a suspension seat post with 50mm of travel, absorbing bumps and rough patches with ease. The Level 3 also delivers impressive range. While AVENTON claims up to 70 miles, we managed to push beyond that, making it one of the longest-lasting commuter e-bikes we've tested. Its versatility shines through with 2 frame sizes and an adjustable stem, accommodating riders from 5 feet 1 inch to 6 feet 4 inches. Commuter-friendly features like integrated LED lights, turn signals, a rear cargo rack, and full fenders ensure practicality meets performance. Aesthetically, the Level 3 stands out with a cast aluminum frame that's nearly seamless and weld-free. It's available in 4 unique color options, including the eye-catching matte Aurora Purple featured on our test bike. On the electrical side, it's equipped with a removable 36-volt, 20-amp-hour, 708-watt-hour LG battery, offering reliable, long-lasting power. The 500-watt rear hub motor delivers smooth acceleration and steady performance. An AVENTON BC280 LCD display provides clear, colorful readouts, and the app integration enhances the user experience with ride tuning capabilities. The bike supports both pedal assist and throttle modes, letting you choose how much effort you want to put in. For safety, the Level 3 includes integrated LED headlights, tail lights, and turn signals. However, unlike previous AVENTON models, it skips brake light functionality, a small drawback for those who value maximum visibility. The bike's Magura, at 2 hydraulic disc brakes paired with 180mm rotors, offer strong, reliable stopping power, though we found the composite brake levers a bit flexible compared to alloy alternatives. Built for comfort and control, the Level 3 features an aluminum handlebar, 680mm width, ergonomic lock-on grips, and a well-padded AVENTON saddle. The 6061 aluminum frame is designed for durability, with a gravity-cast front triangle for added strength. A Shimano Altus 8-speed drivetrain, 48T chainring, 12 to 32T cassette ensures smooth shifting, while Kenda Quick 7.5 sport tires 27.5 by 2.20 balance speed, grip, and comfort. A rear-mounted kickstand, composite platform pedals, and included fenders round out the practical touches. The bike's total payload capacity is 300 pounds, making it suitable for carrying cargo or commuting with extra gear. The AVENTON Control Unit ACU elevates Level 3's security and connectivity. With 4G capability, riders can track the bike's location, remotely disable the motor, and set up geofencing to create a virtual boundary, an impressive feature set typically reserved for high-end models. The refined torque sensor enhances the riding experience by offering intuitive, natural-feeling pedal assist. The bike responds smoothly, mimicking a traditional bike while delivering the added boost you need to go further, faster, and with less effort. From handling and comfort to security and range, the Level 3 sets a new standard for sub-$2,000 commuter e-bikes. It brings together performance, technology, and style in a way that few competitors match, making it a compelling choice for riders who want more than just a basic electric bike. Number 3. Trek Dual Sport Plus 2 Stagger. The Trek Dual Sport Plus 2 is a versatile, lightweight hybrid e-bike built to handle daily errands, urban commutes, and weekend adventures with ease. It features a sleek, staggered aluminum frame designed for easy mounting and dismounting, ensuring comfort and accessibility for riders of all levels. Powered by Trek's proprietary pedal assist system, the bike integrates a 250-watt rear hub motor with 40 Nm of torque, providing smooth, natural-feeling assistance up to 20 miles per hour. Its 250-watt-hour internal battery, neatly hidden within the down tube, offers a range of up to 35 miles per charge. Ideal for city rides, light trails, and everything in between. Charging is convenient with an easily accessible port on the down tube, keeping the design clean and functional. Weighing in at approximately 40 pounds, 17.28 kilograms, the Dual Sport Plus is Trek's lightest hybrid e-bike, making it easy to maneuver, park, and even carry upstairs when needed. Stiff 650B wheels with wide 50C Bontrager GR0 Expert tires provide comfort and stability on various terrains, delivering the smooth feel of a suspension fork without the extra weight. The bike comes equipped with a reliable 9-speed Shimano Altus drivetrain, including an M2010 shifter and M2000 long cage rear derailleur, ensuring precise, smooth shifting. The Shimano HG 211-36 cassette and KM-CX9 chain enhance durability and performance across different riding conditions. For stopping power, the Dual Sport Plus is fitted with Shimano hydraulic disc brakes featuring MT200 levers, UR300 calipers, and 160mm rotors, offering consistent, reliable braking even on wet or uneven surfaces. Integrated lighting ensures visibility and safety with a powerful 120-lumen Hermann's MR4 LED headlight and a Spanninga solo taillight, both powered directly by the bike's main battery. An adjustable alloy kickstand adds convenience for parking during errands or scenic breaks. Built for adaptability, the Dual Sport Plus supports additional accessories like fenders and a rear rack to accommodate cargo or commuting gear. Riders can further extend the bike's range with an optional 250-watt-hour plug and play range extender battery, which conveniently mounts to the frame's water bottle holders, doubling the range for longer trips or commutes. The bike's geometry and components are size-specific, ensuring a comfortable, tailored fit. Smaller frame sizes S&M include a 170mm Pro Wheel Pro alloy crankset, while the larger L size gets a 175mm version. Handlebars and seat posts are similarly optimized by size for ergonomic comfort, with Bontrager alloy components and a Bontrager Sport women's saddle for all-day rideability. Safety remains a priority, as Trek's e-bike system is third-party tested and UL 2849 certified to meet rigorous safety standards, offering peace of mind when it comes to battery and motor reliability. The bike supports a total weight limit of 300 pounds, 136 kilograms, combining the rider's weight with cargo, making it robust enough for commuting or light touring. With its ultra-lightweight design, smooth pedal assist, and thoughtful features, the Trek Dual Sport Plus redefines what a hybrid e-bike can do. Whether tackling hills, extending your weekend rides, or navigating urban streets with ease, it combines the versatility and confidence of a traditional hybrid bike with the powerful convenience of electric assistance. This makes it an excellent choice for riders seeking a reliable, capable, and stylish e-bike that's as practical for daily commutes as it is for weekend escapes. Number 2, AVENTON AVENTURE 2. The AVENTURE 2 e-bike is built for adventure, equipped with advanced technology and rugged components to take on diverse terrains with ease. At the heart of its performance is a torque sensor, an intelligent transmission system that detects your pedaling cadence, matches your effort, and amplifies your power output. This not only delivers a smoother, more natural ride, but also optimizes battery consumption, helping extend your riding range for longer, uninterrupted journeys. The AVENTURE 2's vibrant, backlit, full-color LCD display keeps all your essential riding data at a glance. It tracks speed, distance traveled, and pedal assist level, while offering seamless control over the bike's integrated lights. Additionally, you can sync the bike to the AVENTON app, allowing you to record and share your rides with friends or the wider AVENTON community, adding a social element to your cycling adventures. For comfort and control on rougher trails, the AVENTURE 2 is equipped with a front suspension fork providing up to 80mm of travel. This added suspension helps absorb shocks from uneven paths, ensuring a smoother, less jarring ride when venturing off the beaten path. Complementing the bike's rugged build are pre-installed fenders and a rear rack, enhancing both practicality and durability. The fenders shield you from mud, water, and debris, while the rear rack offers reliable cargo space, perfect for carrying essentials whether you're commuting or exploring new destinations. The AVENTURE 2 also prioritizes safety and visibility with its integrated lighting system. A powerful front headlight illuminates your route, while rear brake lights automatically engage when you pull the brake lever, signaling to those behind you. Plus, the newly added turn signal functionality allows you to indicate directional changes, making your ride safer, especially in traffic or low-light conditions. Designed to conquer challenging terrains, the AVENTURE 2 rolls on massive 4-inch fat tires. These wide, grippy tires provide exceptional traction and stability across sand, dirt, gravel, snow, and even rocky paths, ensuring you stay in control no matter where your journey leads. Powering the AVENTURE 2 is a robust 750-watt rear hub motor, paired with a high-capacity 720-watt-hour integrated battery. This powerful combination propels you to hard-to-reach places, offering impressive acceleration and sustained performance over long distances. With 4 levels of pedal assist and an on-demand throttle, you can choose how much effort you put in. Whether you prefer a leisurely cruise or an adrenaline-pumping sprint, the bike adapts to your riding style. It reaches a top speed of 28 miles per hour, and the battery supports a range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, perfect for extended rides and exploring further than ever before. The AVENTURE 2 e-bike is designed to push boundaries, whether you're riding through rugged trails, sandy beaches, snowy paths, or urban streets. With its torque sensor ensuring a more responsive, natural feel, and features like fat tires, front suspension, integrated lights, and an intuitive display, this bike is built for thrill seekers and explorers alike. It's a versatile, fully equipped e-bike that helps you ride farther, faster, and more comfortably, all while making every journey feel like a new adventure. Number 1, Gazelle Medeo T9 City. The Gazelle Medeo T9 City has been redesigned to provide an enhanced urban riding experience, blending accessibility, comfort, and performance. This reliable trekking e-bike features a re-engineered frame with a true low-step design, improving ease of access while offering greater stiffness and stability. The removal of the secondary support tube results in a sleeker, sportier look, while lowering the bike's center of gravity for better balance. The frame now includes a standard rear hub lock, providing added security and peace of mind when parking in busy city environments. One major upgrade is the repositioning of the 400 watt-hour Bosch lithium-ion battery from the rear rack to the down tube. This change not only frees up space on the rear rack for carrying larger cargo, but also improves weight distribution, contributing to a smoother, more stable ride. The rear rack now supports MIK accessories, making it easy to add bags or baskets for errands, commutes, or weekend rides. The battery remains securely locked in place and can be conveniently removed for charging on or off the bike. Bosch's advanced battery management system protects against overheating, overcharging, and full discharge, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliable power. With a range of up to 75 miles on Eco mode, the Medeo T9 City is ideal for both daily commutes and longer explorations. The bike is powered by Bosch's updated Smart System active line motor, delivering smooth, silent assistance with 40 Nm of torque, perfect for navigating city streets and gently rolling hills. The motor's low positioning enhances road holding and maneuverability, making it easy to handle in busy traffic or tight turns. The system features an adaptive auto mode, which automatically adjusts support based on real-time riding conditions, offering a more intuitive and effortless experience. To improve accessibility for more riders, Gazelle now offers the Medeo T9 City in an extra small XS frame size, accommodating individuals from 4 feet 9 inches to 5 feet 2 inches. Paired with smaller 27.5-inch wheels and the widest tires ever featured on this model, 62mm Continental Contact Plus tires. The bike delivers enhanced comfort, grip, and stability across various surfaces. Whether navigating smooth city streets or uneven paths, the wider tires ensure a confident, cushioned ride. The Medeo T9 City also integrates Bosch's Purion 200 control unit, offering a clean, easy-to-use display mounted within reach on the handlebar. The LED remote provides essential ride data at a glance, including speed, battery level, and assistance mode, all visible even in bright sunlight thanks to adaptive lighting. Riders can switch between 5 different modes to match their needs: Eco, Tour, Auto, Turbo, and Off. The Purion 200 can also sync with a smartphone for additional ride insights, enhancing the overall experience. With its thoughtful redesign, the Gazelle Medeo T9 City brings together practicality, performance, and style. The lightweight frame, low-step design, advanced Bosch motor system, and smart battery placement make it a versatile e-bike suited for urban commuting, leisurely rides, and longer treks alike. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or heading out for a weekend adventure, this refreshed model ensures a smooth, comfortable, and enjoyable ride for cyclists of all sizes and skill levels. That wraps up our list of the 5 best electric cycles. So, which one's your top pick? The fastest gear cycle, or maybe the best pedal assist electric bike for off-road trails? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more on the latest electric cycle features and prices, conversion kits, and new bike designs. Thanks for watching.